Hello dear Abacus users, I hope you're well. In this training we are going to teach you the simulation of the additive manufacturing process with the AM Modeler plugin. In general, additive manufacturing or AM is a name that refers to the construction of three-dimensional objects by adding layers of materials. A 3D computer model is given as input to a device called a 3D printer. That device provides a physical part as output by selectively placing and layering materials. Let's see more details in the video.
What is additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a process that creates a physical object from a digital design. An engineer designs the object using computer-aided design, or CAD software. The 3D design file is then sliced into thin layers and uploaded to an additive manufacturing machine. The manufacturing process begins once an extremely thin layer of metal powder is spread across the platform. A heat source, such as laser or electron beam, then melts the first layer of the 3D design. The platform is lowered, and another layer of metal powder is spread across the platform. The layering and melting process is then repeated until the part is complete. The metallic powder is removed, and a physical object is revealed. Additive manufacturing allows you to produce parts that are lighter, stronger, and more durable than traditionally made parts. Build times are faster. Engineers can add precise features and complex geometries without increasing cost. In fact, additive manufacturing is revolutionizing the way we work.